If you consider yourself skillless, like you do not have any skill at all, but you're still looking for ways to make money online regardless, well, you come across the right channel, because on this channel I talk about personal finance, how to make money online and offline. And the good thing is, on today's video I am going to teach you how to make money without skill, with zero skill needed. So if this is the type of content that you enjoy watching, then I urge you to stick to this video from start to finish. So let's get started. The best way to make money online to me is to render a service to a business owner that you don't have to fully complete yourself. And what I mean is that you are going to use artificial intelligence to get the work done for you. You serve as the middleman between the business owner and getting the job done. So you may have questions like, what exactly is this business that I'm talking about? What exactly is this way to make money online that I'm talking about? And how do you get started? What you need to do is to look for businesses that don't have a website, or business owner that will benefit from having a website and offer to create a website for them. We have 3 steps to follow on today's video. The first step is to look for eBay sellers that do not have a website and build the e-commerce store for them. The way you get to know if an eBay seller has an e-commerce store is to come to this page and search for any products that come to your mind. Boxing gloves is what comes to my mind. As you can see, some are private sellers and some are not. One thing you should note is that we are only working with businesses that have less than 50k review, because the higher review, the higher the chances that they already have a website. So keep that in mind. So I am going to go with this one. This one has less than 50k review. I will just click on it and check to see if they have a website or not. Just scroll down. You'll be able to find their email address. The email doesn't have a domain, which means that they don't have a website. As you can see, the mail does not have a domain, which means that they don't have a website. So I'm just going to copy and paste the mail of the business and search it on GoDaddy. The domain is available for this particular business, and I'm going to pay just a penny to search that. So the point of GoDaddy is to tell if a business have a domain or not. So you're able to contact them by the email address by offering a compelling and negotiable offer. If you don't know what to say at this point, just type in something really detailed and go to ChatGPT. It is actually easy, fast, and free. And just type in something, it will write something for you that you can use. Let's say of all the eBay sellers that you contacted, at least one reached out to you that you should build a website for them. This leads us right into the second step. What do you do from here? So this second step is where we bring AI tool into the picture. Now we are going to use AI tool to build a website for business owners in less than 5 minutes. It's actually fast and easy. So it says a fully optimized Shopify store. All you need to do is to switch out and do some changes and you are good to go. If you have questions like, Rookie, why will a business owner work with me? Why can't they contact a professional website builder? One thing I want you to know is that most business owners do not have a means to reach out to professional website builder. They don't even know how to find them. You being able to reach out to them first and let them know that you can get the job done for them and show them proof. Why would they want to work with you? They will definitely want to work with you. So when it comes to using Shopify store, click on build my free store. It will take you here where you need to enter your full name, your email address, and pick a niche. In this case, we are working with boxing gloves, remember? So this is under sports and fitness category. After selecting this and filling my info, select build my free store. It will take you directly to a page where a store has been fully built, and it will provide you the login details that you need when it comes to verifying anything from the backend store of your Shopify store. So I'll just copy and paste the email address. I'll go over to my Shopify account. I'll just click on view my store. This is what the website is currently looking like. And of course, you have to customize it and change it to whatever business you are working with. Okay, like changing the logo and all of that. The way the store builder works is that it loads winning products. And in this store, you'll be able to get all the products from the eBay seller that you are working with. Here is a simple process to copy and paste all the products from the eBay seller that you are working with directly to your Shopify store. If you want me to make a detailed video on that, just let me know in the comment section. Or if you want me to emphasize on anything, just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely work on that. So when you are done with everything and the eBay seller is content and happy with what you have done for them, after receiving your payment, then the next thing you need to do is to transfer ownership over to them. What you need to do is just to come over to your Shopify store, then go to settings, then go to users and permission, click on transfer ownership right here. It says when the new business owner accepts your invite, you will be removed from the store, which is what we are trying to achieve, right? So fill out the owner's new information and transfer ownership over to them. And if you have questions like, okay, how do I send a preview to the business owner that I'm working with? All you need to do is just to screen record your website, the website that you're building for the business owner. Just screen record it and send to them so they can see a preview. And repeat this process to every business owner that you want to build a website for. And that leads us right into the end of this video. Simple and fast, right? Yeah. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I wish you good luck. So if you have any questions, let me know in my comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and all of that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.